If we locked in, ain't no switching up.
Alright, let me cut the bullshit. Let me cut the bullshit, man. What it do, gang? It's your boy T-Real. We back with another video. For real this time, honestly, hey, for real. I'm back with another video, y'all. I'm looking kind of rough. I ain't had a haircut in a minute. Well, probably like a week or two, but it's all Gucci. I'll probably get that this weekend. But in this video, focus on me. In this video, man, I want to talk about something, man. I want to talk about the reason why I've been gone for a minute. And that's because I started a clothing brand, man. If y'all don't know, and if y'all ain't been following me on Instagram, gonna show y'all do that now. I started a clothing brand, man, real worldwide. And that's really been taking up my time because I've been trying to get some motion going with this clothing brand. Because, you know, I ain't gonna cap y'all, I've been slacking. I've been trying out some things, how I actually want to run this brand. And I'm trying to get it to like a fine-tuned standpoint, you know, to where it's like efficient. Right now, like, I be having a couple orders from, like, you know, little friends and family and stuff. But I'm trying to get out of just friends and family, and I'm trying to get to y'all people that be watching me and, like, other people around the world. Or not really around the world, but, like, in the United States. Or wherever y'all watching this at. So, with that being said, man, I just been really just, like, kind of away from really gaming and stuff. Because I'm trying to, like, fine-tune how I really want to run it. And I think I'm getting to that point. So, like, literally, y'all finna come with me. I'm really finna go grab some shirts real quick from Michael's. It was just a quick pickup. Because really, I honestly, I had a drop. I did a drop. And I actually sold almost all of my packages except for like 2 or 3 of them. But out of like, I think I ordered about 30 shirts. I only got 6 left. So I think that's some improvement from what I've been doing, because usually I really been doing like what I've been doing. Oh, print on demand. Like, I've been using Printful and stuff like that, but I'm finna get away from that and actually just have items on hand. Like, I got this shirt right now. I'm finna show y'all real quick. This shirt right here, I'm driving and trying to record. I don't even know why I'm trying to do that. But this shirt right here, it's a pink real shirt. I'm gonna show y'all some more when I get to the crib. That's where I'm really hit. Oh, well, after I leave Michael's, I'm gonna get to the crib. And, you know, I'm gonna show y'all my little merch that I got already. You know, I got some hoodies, I got some shirts, and I got, well, hats for me. I gotta go. That's the next thing I gotta do is get some hats and shorts, so I have a whole like set, like hat, shirt, and set comp. Hat, shorts, hat, shirt, and shit. Hat, shirt, and shorts set or combo. Damn, that's a lot of traffic. Look at this traffic, y'all. Hold on. Focus. Look at this traffic, gang. This is big old Houston for you. Bro, this traffic is crazy. Look at this. And it's raining, so yeah. Anyways. So yeah, man. That's really why I really haven't been gaming a lot, because, you know, I be trying to increase my streams of income. You know, I can't just have one job, and what is that gonna do? What is one job gonna do for me in this day and age, man? You need about 2 jobs. You need about 3-4 streams of income. You just got to get it. So that's really why I've been grinding for, man. I'm just trying to, you know, increase my incomes. You know, starting the actual legal business. You know, I'm gonna get my LLC pretty soon, and it's actually gonna be like a legalized business. So that's how I've been waiting. But if y'all do know, I do got a website. Focus. I don't think it's gonna focus. It's gonna look better when I get to the crib and actually show y'all. But if y'all asking what Real Worldwide stands for, man, I think I finalized it now. It's gonna be reaching every authentic life worldwide, you know, because I'm real. I'm myself. I'm an original person. You know, I would never copy nobody else or try to be like anybody else. And I'm just trying to be real with myself and be my real self, be authentic, be original. So that's why I made Real Worldwide and reaching every authentic life. Cause bro, a lot of people out here, they not real. They like to copy people. They like to be fake with other, like they like to be fake around people that's real to them, which is crazy. I don't really like that stuff. So this is me reaching out to every authentic life, man. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in with me on the Instagram. Y'all go follow my real page, Real Worldwide, no spaces. This how it is. I'm gonna drop the link down below so y'all can go check me out. Also, man, I do got a website, like I was just saying. I do got that website. It's kind of down right now. I'm just taking orders through the DM. So if y'all hit me up and y'all want something, if y'all not in Houston, I will send it out to y'all. If y'all are in Houston, I will definitely pull up on y'all. We can meet up and we can, you know, get something going. But other than that, gang, what else I want to say? Oh, with the gaming and all that, all this YouTube stuff, I think I think I'm gonna try to turn this into a gaming / IRL channel. I probably will be uploading more IRL videos than gaming. But if y'all missed the gaming and like the live streams and stuff, y'all can go watch me on Twitch. I'll be live on Twitch whenever I do actually get on the game. Cause like I said, it's been a minute since I've been on here. And I need to get out this lane cause I can't go on it. Man, look at this traffic, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Focus. Houston traffic is the worst. And I need to I don't think I'll be able to get over. Houston traffic is the worst, honestly. Like, it's crazy. I need to get in that lane over there. And I think I'll be able to. After this car, nope. You blocked me off, buddy. I'm trying to make my move, man. I gotta get way... See, look, I can't even zoom in. That's how far it is. And ain't nobody finna let me over, bro. This is finna be crazy. Let's see if I can make a move real quick. I think I can. I think I can make a move. Uh-oh. 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 I'm finna make another move. Ah, he took my move. You took my move, man. Let's see if I can make another one. Cause this is crazy. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. I'm gonna stay in this lane for right now. Like literally, man, I need to get in. Alright, that's enough of that. But yeah, gang, man, make sure y'all stay tuned with me. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'm finna drive, so I'm gonna pick the camera up back when I get to Michael's. Let go. Alright, gang, I made it to Michael's. Whoa. Alright, gang, man, I really forgot to take the camera inside of Michael's, but I went and got the 2 shirts right here, so I'm gonna head to the house now and get these things printed. Like I say, man, I always forget to record. I'm not used to recording stuff like this. I'd be like, dang, I just hop out the car and don't even think about recording. I gotta keep remember, everything is content. Everything is content, guys, for real. Everything. You taking a shit is content, I'm telling you. You know how many videos you seen of people just taking a shit? Well, actually, you don't see a lot now I think about it. But it's content, guys, I'm telling y'all. But, like I said, I'm finna head to the house now and go make these shirts real quick, and I'm gonna drop them off. I'm gonna record me making the shirts. If I don't, the whole video over. I'm telling y'all, whole video just over. But record myself wearing the shirts. I mean, oh my god, I'm gonna record myself making a shirt. So I'll be right back. Crispy food. Alright, so got that chizzer. Hit that one time. Oh, where my lint roller at? Blizzard. Busy. I don't know how I just folded this shirt. That bitch was perfect. I said, I don't know how I just folded this shirt like this, but. Alright, gang, y'all see, I just went in the house. I just whipped up a shirt real quick that I just bought. And I'm finna go drop it off to my boy Rocky. Like I said, he got the blue Real Worldwide shirt. And he got the pink one. So really, I'm gonna start folding. I like this fold better, actually. I'm gonna start folding my stuff like this. I don't know how I did it, but it was official. So I'm finna go drop these off real quick. I'm gonna go put some gas in the truck, go drop them off, and like I said, website is down right now, but I also got hats available. I got different colors. I got black, red, I think that's white and black, and navy and white, and I got white, and I can put like, I got different options on colors y'all can get with this hat. So y'all make sure y'all DM me. I'm gonna let y'all know when the shop is back open. It should be pretty soon though. Probably like, I ain't even gonna give y'all a date yet. It's gonna be this month though. So yeah, man, make sure y'all come shop with your boy, Real Worldwide. I got hats, I got the shirts, I got, dang, that just confused me. What you trying to do? Okay, my bad. Yeah, y'all come shop, man, Real Worldwide. I got hats, I got the shirts as y'all see me make them. I got some hoodies for sale. I'm gonna show y'all that probably in another video. And actually the next video I'm gonna show y'all what I'm actually selling. I'm gonna show y'all like, damn, I'm gonna show y'all where like how I make my clothes, how I got it set up, you know, and stuff, and what I'm selling, so y'all can see like, you know, the full merchandise, you feel me? But yeah, I'm finna get some gas real quick, so hold on one second. Alright, gang, man, that's the end of the video, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned with your boy T-Real, man. I'm be making more, like I said, more content for real this time, for real. Like, I'm about to really be doing it. I said I was gonna do it last time, but I'm dead serious this time. So I gotta get the YouTube algorithm to get me right, you know what I'm saying? So make sure, help me out, leave a like, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if y'all new. Make sure y'all go follow me on every social media y'all got, man. I'm gonna leave every link I got in that description, man. Y'all make sure y'all go follow every single one of them links. Every single last one of them links. I want to see every one of y'all click that link right now.